Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this machine to fill your cigarette papers. It's very easy to use it, and let's get started. Okay my friend, here is an arm of machine which used for fill your cigarette papers. It's working like this. It's very easy to use it. So when you open this plug, open this arm, this part is separate from the another part. So let's get started with adding tobaccos inside of the machine. Here you can add tobaccos. You can okay. When you open this arm, this part is separated, so you can plug your cigarette paper here like this easily. And when you start to close this arm, this will hold this paper, and this hole will close, and your cigarette will fully fill it. If you can add another paper if you want. If you try to use another machines or cigarette filling machines, there will be a little blank. It makes smoking hard, but as you see, this is fully filled. So this machine is perfect for filling these cigarette papers. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you want more videos, please subscribe us. Thanks for all.